Welcome to ToonSchool. My name is Vernon, the ruler of the realm. This is the part where I'm supposed to tell you that I've worked for Marvel, drawn for Disney, or taught cartooning to the Crown Prince of Portopunada. But no, not so much. I have, however, had a very productive creative career, working across graphic design, cartooning, illustration, fine art, and visual harvesting. And somewhere along the way, it turned out I could teach. Who knew? I taught at various design schools and art departments where my favorite subject was the history of graphic design. Like most artists, I am self-taught. I really want to say all artists. Look, we all started creating long before the courses, long before the qualifications, long before someone in the know told us what to do or what not to do. Cartooning especially, I had to figure out as I went along. This was the 80s and 90s. There was no YouTube, no Pinterest, no internet with generous artists willing to share their knowledge. And that is exactly how ToonSchool came to be. Somewhere between Archie and Richie Rich. I promised myself that if I ever had the chance to make learning easier for someone else starting out, I would. And here we are, on the tubes. ToonSchool is a space where I get to share the results of years of learning, teaching, and research. And if the content manages to serve only one artist in some way, well, the creative world would be all the better for it. So come on in, pull up a chair, snoop around, explore, discover, embrace your creativity in all its glorious forms, and may the creative force be with you. Oh.